Hello children, today I am going to teach you lesson 3 India and its neighbors. So before discussing this part neighbors, we will discuss regarding India. India is our country. It is also called as our motherland. Now India is a country with diverse features, physical features, religion, diverse category of people, various species of plants and animals. So there are lot of differences in the nature and the physical parts of India. Now the location of India, you know that this is equator and this is prime meridian, 0 degree meridian. So India is located here, that is north of the equator and east of the Greenwich. That means India lies in the northeastern quarter of the globe. India is a very beautiful country and one of the ancient civilizations flourished in India. So, exactly discussing the location of India in terms of latitude will be studied in your later classes, but as far as India is concerned, let us have a rough sketch of India. This is a rough sketch of India. Okay, I'm drawing it roughly so that it can come to your notice. Let us assume that this is India. So India is located above the equator, 0 degree, and here we have got Indian Ocean. Here it is Bay of Bengal. This side it is Arabian Sea. That means in the south part we see that water bodies are bordering India. Hence India is called a peninsula. Now what is peninsula? Peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. So here three sides. Now what is island? A piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides is island. But India is a peninsula. The southern part of India is called the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. Here the Himalayas are present. Himalayas are divided into three ranges: Himachal, Himadri and Sivaliks. Himadri, Himachal and Sivaliks. This area is called Northern Plains. Northern Plains. Here it is Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats. Here you can see Eastern Ghats. In Arabian Sea, you have one group of island that is called Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Island, and here we have a long chain of island that is called Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar island. So here 5 physical divisions are given. See, northern mountains, Himalayas, that is Himadri, Himachal and Sivaliks. Then northern plains, here it is given northern plains, it is very fertile. This is peninsular plateau. Then islands, and these are the coastal plains. One near Bay of Bengal, another near Arabian Sea. And here in Rajasthan we have got Indian desert, INDIAN, Indian desert. So this is all about physical features of India. On the map I have drawn it for your convenience. Now political parts. Political parts. As per your book, India is divided into 28 states. Okay, 28 states and 9 union territories. So these 28 states have their own boundary and union territories have their own boundary. So this is called political division of our country. So children, in India, we have one central government which looks after all these 28 states and 9 union territories. And each state have their own government structure, that is called state government. So this is all about political divisions of India. This is about physical divisions of India. Now, if India is divided, I have taught about divisions. So divided, that is a diversity. This is called diversity. Then how it is so that we are united? हम सब एक हैं. हम सब कहते हैं ना कि हम सब एक हैं. तो इंडिया में इतनी भिन्नता है, फिर भी हम एक कैसे हैं? Why? How it is united? So it is only because of our culture, tradition, type of people, type of occupation, type of boundaries, we are united. We share some common characteristics and features among different religions. So we are united. Next, I told you that we will be discussing about this. Neighbors. So who are India's neighbor? The countries that are located near to or adjacent to India are called our neighbor. So let us see which are the country. See, here it is. Just beside this Indian border is Pakistan. Above Pakistan is Afghanistan. Here it is China. Here it is Nepal. This is Bhutan. This is Bangladesh. So all these small countries that border India are called our neighbors. And one is here, that is Sri Lanka. And here if we move towards this part, then it is Myanmar. Myanmar. So all these countries, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, all these countries are called the neighbors of India. Children, I hope this chapter is clear, and in the next video we will study about lesson 4. Till then, you will be given question answer and word meanings of this chapter. You will go through the chapter once and you will complete your word meanings and question answer. Thank you.